Sendaweni yaseBackville emazizini obonjaneni ekhaya. Bekunabelungu nje abala kade bezama ukudoba angaze ngibone ilanzi la kodwa le sasi don't know. Ngicabanga ukuthi kubalekile to give reverence to i-ATM. I think they've had to bear the cross of into eningi kakhulu into the industry. I think i-movement yala abafowethu African trap movement that is ibaleke ngendlela eyisimanga because yenza ukuthi i-sound oyibona i-popular njengamanje ibe digestible.
Super important.
Nanokuthi lento vele yaqala kudala. If you look at abantu abafowethu abafana no Zulu Boy who are our direct influences. So abantu abanjengo Zulu Boy, and you look at how they used to approach music. The approach to music was very much it was shown, right? I don't know if they named it because man named it Scandi Hop. But it was shown and you would see it with especially for us because Sabafana bakhule ngomaskandi, but we're introduced to hip hop through our cousins. So when you listen to a person like Zulu Boy and you hear Ubabek Mzutuli, we hear Ubabasheli, you're like, yo, you know, this cat is, you know, all of a sudden it makes sense. It makes, you know, so it speaks to Lentuba Fakulumanga about look at people like Mashapu Galma, Digital Maskandi Pioneer, Shembe Drums, 808s, that amalgamation. Super important. Then again, we're going to speak about the peak, people that really took it to another level. To the next level. If you look at the African trap movement, don't you should know South, MT, Java, Ranks, Yonke Leya Gang, Yabafwe to really took it to heights. I think Manji sound is much more digestible. People are much more accepting of show. There's people on the forefront, Njenga Manji, benefiting off that cross that have had to bear. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi kubalekile nanokuthi sibanike indawo yabo emlandweni. Kunabantu abaningi abangenayo noma abangayitholanga leyo nto leyo ubuka ekhaya like uMashapu uqhakamama. Abantu angazi noma bayakwazi lokho noma bakunaki, but as far as like pushing the envelope, being a key piece in the architecture of this thing, hamba phambili. So you know it's important that we give reference to abantu abafana nabo, you know, abafana nalabo. So there is no urban Tumantumani without Mashapu Kagamamba. There is no urban Tumantumani without Scandi Hop. You know, the urban Tumantumani moving the way that it's supposed to move, or moving the way that it's moving right now. I went Zegi without ATM coming out and running.
Sup. So this is our humble abode. This is the trap. We record, we sleep here. Most of e-project with Timbaland Mine was made in this place. We're gonna mix, master, and get to off from that. On the sideline. I did this shit without a deal.
You know we about to do it too.
Yeah, man.
Damn, we know nothing. We about to get this
I'm
shit
telling
done.
you. I know these niggas better rub me.
About to get this shit done.
Don't try.
Say hi to the camera, nigga.
What's poppin', people? Hey, shit, man. Can't be seeing this book and some shit.
Siplazine, pushing pin na machi da kona nenkosi yokasi nokwazi seven delta bad hand 1,000 times over kwadlula sasi tindi tindulu yasi that the narrative switch when the peasant ascends. Bambe singelayo mfano ligezi yakuvila ulibale kukama amadev yobawundabuze kwayo mangasimela abakuthandabusayo bosala bethelwa ngamachapha selendlela emfili basilingane esicongweni ngikhwela ngidilika the chick is absolute uqhela ngilima. Quite right. They think of what they should have been, submersed in haze and nostalgia of what could have been. Smiles vacate when they see you peel. Layers of your journey, eyes liquid with envy. It gets real, so they speak to share. Imbangi zakho wazidala hamba impela ungabusama ubotholakala ocingweni mzala hello 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 ubotholakala ocingweni. The urban Tumantumani into engabona iGoduka reporting live from ikomkhulu uphuzo ubisi lomnini webhotela baninde ngentshede ngifikela umcabango nje la wokuxoxa ngokubaleka ukwenza into yakho futhi uyenzisisa. Ngicabanga ukuthi sibaningi kakhulu approacha izinto from a view
yabanye abantu from iview ngabantu esibahloniphayo ngabantu abathanda bona bawumculo ngoba i-feedback kokunye iya direct ukuthi fanele kuyephi. But ngicabanga ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi noma ukwenza lokho wenze sure ukuthi music still remain sincere, remain authentic, and more than anything uyilento wena oyiphilayo. Sibe nenhlanhla yokuphila nabantu abakwazi ukuthi bevukuze lento abayibona i-special ngathi besiyeke siqhubeke senze into yethu. Akuvamile lokho. Abantu esikhathini esiningi mabebona into bathanda ukuthi beyishape ngendlela ethile, uyabona, ithatha i-direction bona le abayithandayo. Akuvamile ukuthi umuntu athole ikhono lakho noma athathe ikhono lakho akunike mhlawumbe ama-point ambalwa bese ethi hayi awukuqhubeke uphusha. Sibe nenhlanhla.
The urban tsumani into engabonwa yithemba lamavantshi labemvimba amagugu endabuko ibonga yiningi. AmaGoduka madoda. Phansi komthunzi welanga kwashela inkabi uBrown Dash lala qhawe.
Lala ngqwele.
Ngicabanga ukuthi sesiside lesikhathi sithule. Kodwa ke besingathule kahle hle besacupha ikhala. Sikhanda umculo. I-project is titled Ithemba Lamavukane, Dreams and Nightmares of the Urban Nguni Foretold.
Mayisiphelile futhi siphelile.
Sesiwuphethile umsebenzi. Kodwa ke ngiyacabanga ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi mhlawumbe sinabe ngezinye ingqinamba esihlangabezane nazo.
Mixing ne mastering. Esinye isilwane ke futhi ufuna uqamba manje esinye isilwane akuyona futhi into ongayibamba manje ube dope. Akwenzeki. Noshuni udinga isandla esithile. So kusithathe nje isikhashana nje ukuthi sithole nathi indlela esisebenza ngayo, sithole nomuntu inkabi yami uSnap.
Shout out Snap mfowethu.
Inkabi yami esisebenza nayo kakhulu when it comes to mixing la fine tune lezi ngoma ukuthi zisound
ngaleyo ndlela leyo. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi njengamanje siyitholile middle ground njengoba ngithi umsebenzi usuphelile. So konke lokho nanoma ke bekuslow kakhulu kodwa ke gcineni iphumile lento esikade siyifisa.
Sure.
Siyiqalele project ngicabanga ukuthi neminyaka u3 sisebenza kuyona. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngoMarch 2020 kuvalwa izwe lonke. Sisiqala ke sithi hayi sizama ukuhlanganisa noma ke kwakungayona
yayingeyona ithemba lamavukane at that point. Mhlambe futhi okuye kwenza ukuthi project igcine ithi isithatha isikhathi eside because kufanele ngabe kahle kahle iproject yaphela. Iproject yaphela ngo-2022 ngoJanuary. Ayisiphelile iproject sasihlala phansi silalela namajongo la sisebenza nawo. Sasithola kahle cha umculo ukhona nama themes ambalwa besifisa ukuthi sikwazile ukuthi si bring across lento ebesizama ukuyenza. But mhlawumbe inkinga ebekhona angazi noma ngane nendlela right ukuchaza.
Ngicabanga ukuthi siyabantu abakhanda umculo from ama experiences wethu. Siyafuna ukuthi futhi kube khona okutholayo mawulayela umculo wethu. Sathi masiyilalela leya project eqinisweni kwawukuthi ifake emgodini kakhulu.
Iminyama kakhulu.
Ngizo admit la futhi ngisho ukuthi umculo esiwenzayo awuqhamuke endaweni enhle kahle hle. Uyabona ngenxa yenhlala kahle yethu ke yabona. Kodwa ke okunye okukhona ukuthi awufuni ukuthi ukhande into ezothatha umuntu okade la izombeka la. Ngoba yayinosizi kakhulu ngamafuphi. Ngicabanga ukuthi iyona indlela ubest yokuchazalela ukuthi yayinosizi kakhulu. Enomunyu kakhulu kwawukuthi hey decide ukuthi hayi
asithi ukuyivuza kancane sithi ngoba zikhona vele ngoba impilo injalo usizi likhona inyembezi konke lokho, but it's just like i-aspect eyi-one leyo
akwazi ukuthi manje umuntu wayo yonke i-project kube usizi nje nomunye. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi-ke sebese sithatha 2022 njengalelo thuba lokuthi siyilungise leyo nto nangempela-ke futhi yalunga.
Yeah, man. So we started with officially with the mixing, yeah, Owele, and we started it on a very great note. We started with the Magwande, and I really love the mixes. I think, I had concerns that because there's something that happens if you listen to songs. There's kind of see it over time you get attached to a rough mix. So I thought I would be, at this point I'd use a rough mix as a yardstick to like measure how the mixing process was going. But I don't know, man. I think we've started really well. I love the mixes, and I just hope that we can take this positive energy and just roll with it. Project. But yeah, man, exciting times. Hopefully there's a sense of relief, almost. My favorite beat makers, The Alchemist, talks about how it feels to finish a beat. That it almost seems as if like it's a funeral, because it's an end of something that you'll never truly connect with like that. And I've always thought that was interesting. But this process, I think for my brother, but for me, it almost seems like a burden, because it's like it's 3 years in the making, and it's inconceivable also to me that we've had 3 versions of this project. We started in 2020, top of 2021 we had a project, top of 2022 we had a project, then at the end of 2022 is the project that we have now. And we've just stayed with the project, letting it ferment, seeing how we respond to it in different seasons, in different moods, how things age. It's like a little tradition that we've kind of grasped. And I think it's been amazing also. Even the release of Includable, the reception to that project was truly amazing also, because it taught us something. In our heads we thought because it's like bouncy, it's commercial in a sense, whatever that means, would be the song that people would gravitate towards. The song that I thought would bring like discourse. Essentially, they love that one. So from just seeing how people respond to this little project as we approach, this one, it's a official project. Yeah, man. We hope that you guys enjoy it. Yeah.